Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch your personal Instagram account to a professional account in just a few simple steps. First, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down until you find the For Professionals section, then tap Account Type and Tools. Under your account, select Switch to Professional Account. Tap Next through the introduction screens to continue. Now it's time to choose your category. Pick the one that best matches what you do, or use the search bar to find it quickly. If you want your category to appear on your profile, turn on Display on Profile, then tap Done. Instagram will let you know that your account will become public. Tap OK to continue, and wait a few seconds while the change is applied. Next, choose whether you want a business account or a creator account. If you're a content creator, influencer, artist, or public figure, select Creator, then tap Next. Instagram will now guide you through setting up your professional profile. Start by completing your profile with any missing information, then save your changes. You can also introduce yourself by creating your first post as a professional account. Select Introduce Yourself, choose your photo or content, tap Next, and then Share. That's all there is to it. Your Instagram professional account is now ready, giving you access to professional tools, insights, and creator features. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.